Today I am going to be making a new roof lining for my short wheelbase VW Caddy. I've bought this piece of 5mm ply, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the original roof lining as a template. So literally as simple as laying it up on the board and then try and make one edge as useful as possible. Now, a lot of people are wondering, when you take a bulkhead out, what to do. I watched on another website that if you allow 10mm extra, it accounts for the bulkhead. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to get a ruler and measure 10mm in from there. So now we've measured the 10mm, I'm going to draw a line across. So there we are, we've got 10mm. And then we're going to bring this board to match up to 10mm. So then we're going to draw around it. So we've got a perfect template. Don't need to draw in around these parts, obviously, because you're not going to be using that. But you do need to mark off your mounting points. Don't forget, if you're going to have the original light, mark that off as well. So, a lot of people are probably wondering what size ply to buy. Well, here we go. This piece is 160 centimeters by 110 centimeters. And as you can see, that's plenty big enough to get your original roof template on there and add the extra 10mm, and you've got a little bit of wastage. B&Q actually will cut the ply from bigger boards for you. They have a cut service, is what I did. We now have our board marked off, and now we need to cut that out. So that's the next thing we will do. One thing is worth thinking about is your original roof lining didn't have any covering on it. And when you're going to add carpet to your roof lining, if we get a piece of carpet here, when you're going to add carpet to your roof lining, it's actually going to add a thickness to it. So the chances are the original size will be tight. Now, from experience on previous roofs, I've found that once you've got your template, if you come in a millimetre all round, that gives the allowance to carpet your roof lining or line it with whatever you're going to line it with. I'm going to actually use Suede on this one, and that will give you just enough room to let it fit comfortably without struggling. It's definitely worth thinking about. So all around you need to come in an extra mil. So very, very carefully. You've probably seen carpenters do it. They draw the line and come in around. So now we're just going to cut it out. Take your time. Not done it before. Better to be a bit slow than it is to go really silly and mess it up. Make sure your line's clear, make sure you can see it. finally we have ply panel. I like to just tidy up the edges. On the corners here, something I was taught a long time ago. I can't remember where it was. I'll do it with this side so you can probably see it better. So, to get a nice corner, don't sort of go like that. Do it like that. So you're curving away from the cell. So the arc is meeting the arc as such. So it's so much easier. Depending on how good you are with jigsaw, I've slowly got a bit better. I'm not brilliant, but got better. You tend to find your lines get a bit tidier. Less tidying up to do. Truth of the matter is you won't even see it, but I just like to do these tiny little bits. Also saves you getting any splinters. So the roof is all cut out, and you can see I've drilled all the fixings for holes for the fixings, and they are 12mm. Hopefully you can see that there. 12mm drill bit, and I've decided from previous vans to use these fixings, so hopefully you can see them. I'll try to show you them a bit closer up. I'll put a link up down there and where you can get them, and we'll move on to the next stage. So we're on to the next step where I want to carpet line the roof panel that we made earlier. I personally want to go for suede, and I bought this really quite nice suede. It's the first time I've used this. It's quite thin, it's apparently 4-way stretch, not that we're going to need 4-way stretch on this, but I'm hoping maybe we'll be able to use it on other parts of the trims in the Caddy. But we'll see. We're going to do the roof panel first. I bought it from CSR Distribution. Yeah, CSR Distribution. They're on eBay. No reason I bought it from them. It was the one that came up, which what seemed to be the best price at the time. I'm going to give it a go and see how it goes. See, I've clamped down the suede because I want to make sure it doesn't move. I've lined it all up nicely. I don't want it to move. I put some cardboard just a match when I do the top layer for the gluing, and well, here it goes. Never done this before, so it's going to be interesting. Get any creases in it as well. Okay, now I've got the first bit down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it back that way and slowly unwind it. I think that probably is going to be the simplest way of doing it. well, I've got the roof back in, fitted, and I'm really pleased with it. Really pleased. It looks really nice. It's hard to say, it's getting dark now, so without a torch, which I'm shining, not going to be so easy to see, but where there's going to be for the LEDs, because I'm going to have a plinth running around below it. That'll be the next, well, I said the next video, that'll be one of the videos I do a little bit later. But I think that's looking alright. Bit of a pain to put some of the clips in, it really was, but nothing that you couldn't do. So there we are. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please subscribe. Please like the video and keep on tuning in. And like I said, hopefully not in the not too distant future, you know, we'll be doing some out and about videos as well when we're allowed beyond our front door. See you next time. Bye.